हेलो, आज हम लोग गेम खेलेंगे। Just start the game. Oh, let's go. This one, ये वाला game. Okay. How old are they? 3 to 4, I maybe. What language do you want to learn? English. Let's start. Oh, it is Bulldozer. What wrong with his battery and what? Oh, we have to scan. Gear. So let's start repairing it. First of all, we have to get all the items which whatever over there. Now battery, we have to unscrew it. So let's do round it round, round and round. Yes, all and this round it round, round it round. There is a dust, we have to vacuum it. So let's vacuum it. Now it is clean. Now we have to do join it with his color. Complete, right? So now next red, blue, green. Now gear turn. We have to fix it. First of all, we have to remove this dust with the tools we have. Okay, can. Now it is clean. Now we have to fix whatever is remaining. This one, and last. Yes, it is complete. Now we have to do a rest. Oh, now we customize it. This one and this one and this one. Now which one? We have to get this one. Yeah, this is powerful. I like this one. Now I'm getting this one is not good. This green one is good, right? Now we are ready to do a race. Now let's start the race. There is a finish point and this is starting point. Start, rumble, rum. We have to do it. Yes, this one also. We have to do it. There is a one turn mirror. Go and go, go and go. Just say kids. Go and go, go and go, 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 go. Wow. Go, go, go. Yes, go, yes. Now we have to reach. There is some utensils. Speed up. Wow. Washing machine. Wow. Now trash. Oh, we have to go fast. Yes. We have finished. Yay. Complete. Now we have to do sticker. Open it. Fix it. Wow. Now next we have to play. Maybe you are enjoy it. Now it's time to say bye.